I'm here today to tell you a really good solution to make your Xbox work. After taking it apart with all these screws, hard drive, top of it. Um, yeah, you could use one of these to spray down the inside, the duster. But what really makes these things work is by putting a nice big fucking ice pack in there. Because Xbox 360 is possibly the worst Xbox gaming console, or any console made by Microsoft, or any console in the world. See, take apart this, and put the big ass ice pack in there, because that's the only thing that'll make it work. These fans do jack shit, and if you keep getting two red rings like I usually do, you're pretty much fucked. I don't know, but I just thought I'd do that, just because, I don't know, I'm gonna contact Microsoft soon, have them release an ice pack to, make everything work, because I'm sure the new Xbox Slim, or whatever the fuck you want to call it's gonna do the same thing. So, peace.